How to get Google search bar back on Android screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to restore Google search bar on Android. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to press and hold for 3 seconds on black screen on your mobile. At bottom of your screen, you will find variety of icons. You simply need to choose widgets. Here you can find clock widget, calendar widget, CapCut and many more, including the Chrome as well. Here you can easily scroll and look for the search bar. But right now we are not searching that. We want Google search bar. So you need to be on Google widget section. So these are all the Google widget. You need to simply select 4:1 Google search bar. Select that and it will appear on your home page. You can easily tap down at top right corner. You can place it anywhere, tapping on it and placing it anywhere you'd like. So in this way, you can successfully restore the Google search bar on your Android phone. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.